Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Accelerate Mobile Application Development Across Multiple Platforms. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Raghu Srinivasamurthy, Brand Architect, IBM Rational. Raghu currently works as an IBM Rational Brand Architect with a focus on technical pre-sales. He carries 12 years of IT experience. He works with customers to integrate best practices, processes, automation tools, and provide mentoring services. He speaks regularly at international conferences, seminars, and user groups sponsored by IBM. Raghu is an IBM Rational Certified Professional. He also holds an MBA in Marketing from Symbiosis University, Pune. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Raghu.
Thanks, Mohini. Thanks for that introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us today for this Accelerate Mobile Application Development Across Mobile Platforms webinar. Just one second, I'm going to share my screen now. Okay, I guess that everybody is able to see my presentation deck. I'm at the slide number 1. So the topic is, as Mohini introduced, where we're going to talk about how do we accelerate the mobile application development across different platforms that are available. And I will talk about what is the solution that IBM is offering, what are the challenges that we are facing in terms of mobile application development for different kind of platforms. The agenda for today, I'm in slide number 2, everyone. The agenda is what are the challenges, the typical challenges that's faced by organizations in terms of developing mobile applications, and what's the platform that IBM is offering in terms of mobile development lifecycle solution. So that's the agenda, the brief agenda that we have. As you're aware, the duration of this particular webinar is going to be 1 hour. We're going to have 10 minutes for question and answers at the end of the presentation. So let's try to understand. There are 2 factors. I'm getting into the slide number 3, everyone. There are 2 factors which are driving this mobile application development scenario. The question we need to ask us is, why do we need to accelerate this mobile application development? What are the factors that are driving this, accelerating mobile application development? There are 2 factors which are driving this. One is the market forces, the competitors. The second one is the consumers or the users. These are the 2 major factors which is driving organizations and software development teams to accelerate their mobile application development and delivery. If you see the slide number 3, it shows the kind of opportunity that we have in terms of this mobile computing field. I don't know whether you have seen this news where Instagram, which got started only 2 years back, hit 100 million users. Imagine just 2 years span of time. And Government of Karnataka is initiating this mobile governance initiatives across different departments, different territories, different regions in Karnataka. Whether it's a public sector bank, government organizations across the world, they've started working on this mobile initiatives. So one is there exists a huge opportunity in terms of this particular space, and there are 2 major factors driving this mobile application development delivery model where you need to accelerate this. But is it so easy to make sure that, okay, you deliver the mobile applications in a faster pace? There exist challenges. What are those challenges? Let's try to understand. Moving to slide number 4. Now, we all agree that, okay, all of us who are participating in this discussion, that the focus is shifting towards mobile computing. mobile/cloud computing, you can say that. That's the hybrid computing which is happening from traditional now web computing in the internet world. But to make sure that we leverage those opportunities that are available for us, it's becoming more and more challenging in terms of mobile application development scenario. One is the transformation business models. What do you mean by transformation business models? This mobile banking, mobile money, Airtel money, NFC communications, near field communicator communications. So there's a huge transformational business models that are happening. That gives you a great challenge in terms of mobile application development and delivery model. The second one is in terms of the delivery by itself, the faster life cycles, faster iterations, once in or 2 times in a week kind of updates that's happening in the mobile world. So apart from this, adding to these kind of challenges, these are, there are some technology challenges. We talked about mobile forces as being one of the challenge. What are those technology challenges in terms of mobile application delivery? The technology challenge, it's been, if it was an internet world, we know that, okay, it's